Hello, I'm Adrian from Innofactor Sweden, and today I will demo our Power BI report created for a consumer advocates group. The report is used for internal analysis and to share insights to external partners. The report front page shows an overview of current KPIs for the most recent year. By hovering over the charts, we get a tooltip that shows us cases by category. As an example, if we hover over the case type complaint, we easily see that invoice complaints are the most common. By clicking on the menu button, we get a pop-up menu and can navigate to the overview page. Here we get an easy overview of our cases with the ability to filter by year, status, service provider, category, case type, and handler. If we, as an example, filter by year 2019 and the status action required, we can see that 13 cases needs action and 69 of those comes from premium customers. If we right click and drill through, we get more information about these cases and can investigate them further. All the charts have full cross-filter capabilities, and the cases by type chart has drill down capability to allow us to go to category and subcategory. Our last report page shows us a timeline of our business. On the first row, we can see how many cases we are handling by month and how we are doing compared to previous year. The second line has the average handling time KPI with a line chart comparing this year's handling time to last year by month. The last line shows cases by weekday, and the line chart visualizes workload by hour. This report page has the same filter possibilities as the overview page and also has full cross-filter functionality. And this concludes the demo for the support cases Power BI report.